Hey guys, Leia here from Unbox. In 2018, Asus went full circle by going back to 5. They introduced their newest Asus Zenfone lineup, the Asus Zenfone 5, 5Z, and this one right here, the Asus Zenfone 5Q, also known as the Asus Zenfone 5 Lite. It features a 6-inch screen with an 18:9 aspect ratio and quad cameras. Now, we've had this phone for a while, so join us for our full review of the Asus Zenfone 5Q. The Asus Zenfone 5Q looks and feels premium because of its 2.5D glass panels sandwiching its metal frame. The catch? It's a bit of a fingerprint magnet, so it's a good thing that it comes with a clear jelly case to keep your phone smudge-free. The device has a nice and sleek profile, and the dimensions are pretty much what you would expect from phones with a similar display. However, the ergonomics seem to be a bit off, making it feel larger than it actually is. So those of you with dainty digits may have to use both hands to navigate the phone. One of the main features of the 5Q is a 6-inch Full HD Plus IPS display. However, it lacks a bit of brightness, especially now that it's summer and the sun's always up. But still, it's a really great panel. I mean, the color accuracy is on point and so are the viewing angles. It has an overall pixel density of 402 pixels per inch, so you get crisper and sharper details while watching videos or simply scrolling through your social media feed. Asus placed 4 cameras on the 5Q, and just like last year, the secondary front and back cameras are at 8 megapixels with a 120-degree field of view. So that means that you can get more of the landscape or get more of your friends into the frame if you don't have anyone to take the picture for you. The main rear camera is at 16 megapixels with an f-stop of f2.2, and just like its predecessors, it has a bit of punch to its colors. The front camera is at 20 megapixels with an f-stop of f2.0, which is why it was given the selfie moniker in some countries. Just like photos taken from most mid-range devices, you're gonna need a good amount of light to get the best results. It's a bit of a mixed bag, but once you get the hang of it, your photos will be worth sharing on social media. To talk about performance and battery life, let me pass you on to Jamie.
Under the hood of the Zenfone 5Q is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 630 processor paired with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of expandable storage. The phone has more than enough juice for day-to-day tasks and ran smoothly during our time with the device. We were initially worried that the device would ship with a 400 series chip, as most Lite devices often do, so we're glad that Taiwanese brand went with one of the latest 600 series chips from Qualcomm. In terms of gaming, the 5Q is definitely up to the task as well, but you'll have to tweak settings to make sure you're getting the best frame rates possible. Playing PUBG Mobile on the lowest settings gave us an average frame rate of 26 frames per second, so that's something you have to take note of if you tend to treat your mobile device like a handheld console. Our readers will know that we haven't exactly had the best relationship with Zen UI, but we can recognize the effort in trimming down the bloatware that was once prevalent in their devices. There are still a few pre-installed apps and new features baked in, but it's lighter and more optimized than before. There's still room for improvement, but we're glad for the ones they've already done. Powering the device is a 3,300 mAh battery that gave us more than enough juice to last the day, but of course, mileage may vary. If you're a bit of a heavy user, make sure you bring a power bank in case you need a top-up. So, is the Asus Zenfone 5Q worth considering? As it stands, it's a competent device for anyone looking for a smartphone with a lot of versatility. It looks good, it has enough muscle for a bit of gaming, and those quad cameras offer a ton of options for capturing awesome moments. In that regards, it's a bit of a jack of all trades, meaning it has its quirks, but it gets the job done and it does it well. The big question here is it priced competitively? And trust me, we want to know too, but unfortunately, as of making this video, Asus hasn't revealed the pricing in the Philippines just yet. But we certainly hope they price it right this time.
And that's pretty much it for our full review of the Asus Zenfone 5Q. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and hit that notification bell.
For all the latest tech news and gadget reviews, make sure you head to unbox.ph and follow us on Facebook as well.
My name is Leia.
This is Jamie,
and we'll see you next time.